Hello and welcome to how to make a Skydome texture in Gimp. This will be the final result. I decided to go with a cloud texture for this tutorial, and this image is straight out of my backyard, so as long as you got a camera in Gimp you can follow this tutorial. So I hope you enjoy. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and open up Gimp. It's just going to take a second to load. And once that's open, you're going to go to File, New, and I'm going to change 1024 to 2048 just to get a higher resolution texture. Hit OK. And I have a picture on my desktop that I took. It's of the sky overlooking my backyard. What you can do is just drag that into Gimp and then hit Filters, Map, and Make Seamless. Now I've already done this, so it's not going to change it at all, but you can see part of this area is also down here, which is over here, which is partially in the top here. What that does is it just allows this texture to be tileable, so you can have the same texture next to it and then it will be a seamless transition. So once you've done that, you can go to Filters, Distorts, and Polar Coordinates. And all the defaults in here, just leave them. So you hit OK. And then what that's doing is it's twisting the image to form a sphere. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up another Gimp, or a new image, and drag that cloudy texture into there. I'm going to work side by side here. And the first thing I'm actually going to do, just to make this more pretty, is use this, where is it? The color picker tool. Select that and just select a color on the outside of your circle. I think that color works. Then go to the bucket tool and just fill around it. That, I don't know, just personal preference, makes it look better. So what you're going to do with this image on the left here is take this tool, which is the clone tool, and I'm going to make the brush size 5, probably 700. Yeah, that seems good. Make sure your brush is on the softest brush, and the opacity, just leave that at 100. So what you're going to do is hold down Control and left click, then you can go over to this image and just click right in the center. Maybe click it twice if you don't like the result, and all that does is just gets rid of this this pinch point, and it makes it it cleans it up a little bit. And you can take any part of this image over and slap it on here. Don't hold Control when you're pasting it though, or else it will copy that as well. Then there you go, you have your texture. So you just go to File, Export As. I'll just export it as a PNG. I'll name it Cloud Skydome. Export. I should export that. While it's doing that, I'll just close this window. And I'll open up Blender. This is another Skydome that I've done. Took a little bit more time on it, but you can get the same result if you have different images to put in as clouds, or maybe you have a sky, blue sky. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and change the texture on this. And if you don't know how to make a Skydome, I have a tutorial for that and how to set it up and everything. So I'm just going to show you what this kind of looks like. Put it on my desktop. So there's this, and this is what it will end up looking like when you're done. Looks pretty good. These white edges, that can be fixed. You just gotta select it and move the UV map in a bit more. And there you go. You have your own custom-made Skydome. Hope you enjoyed it.